When applying the brace, locate the hinge center over the outer side of the elbow. Secure strap number 1 below the hinge. Next, secure strap number 2 above the hinge. Tighten strap number 3 located near the wrist by sliding the strap through the slot and securing the hook and loop tab. Lastly, secure strap number 4 at the top. As directed by your clinician, you can unlock the drop lock by sliding the catch towards the center of the hinge. Slide the shoulder strap over the injured arm and position over the opposite shoulder. Attach the shoulder strap clasp with the loop on the paddle closest to the wrist. Readjust the strap pad over the shoulder so that it feels comfortable. To remove, undo the shoulder strap clasp. Remove the arm sling. Undo the buckles and strap.